morning. My name is Sukhpreet Kaur. I have completed PGDBO from Borivali NIIT Center. I just want to say that if you want to start your career on a high scale, you should go for NIIT. The staff and faculty here from the industry itself, they help you groom in a way by sharing their real life experiences which you can apply in your current position of your company. The staff here and the environment is so understanding that if you have any difficulties be it your studies, your activities or your career or your role, they help you make a decision. Also, I would like to recommend each and everyone to go for NIIT because where I am today, I am very happy with my current position, and this is all because of NIIT. Today, if I am in any difficulty, I can contact the staff and the faculty here because they are always here to support me and to encourage me with anything. I would just like to recommend each and every one to go for it. Thank you.